Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the onSearch event, which is a event when triggers if you are familiar with the input field, which have many events like this onSearch event, and it can trigger a function which can you use in your JavaScript. So I'm gonna show you an example of it now. So for that to happen, we need to create an input field. There are lots of them, but you know, and change the type to search, which literally used to search things. So change it to search. You don't need to name anything or put some value, anything like that, and use ID and name it something like my input, and then use the onSearch event caller. So onSearch, look at and see that it's not even available on the Atom prototypes, so it's new, I guess. And then what you need to do is put a p tag, and inside that just give a ID of demo, because you don't wanna do anything with that, because we need to write something like anything. And here you just need to put write something to search, write something to search. And now we're gonna create a scripts. So by default it's a JavaScript. No, you don't need to put that. And then just create a function and name it my function, which I usually do when I create with this type of thing. So function, and then what you need to do is just go there and use var x equals document and use the get element by ID, and after that just inside that you need to put the what we call the ID of a specific number. So input, my input, and it will return a string for you, and that we can work with. Like here what I'm gonna do is use the document dot get element by ID and use the demo. Here you can see that, and then we're gonna use the dot inner HTML equals, you need to type you are searching for just concatenate with the value of x. So for that we need to type for x dot value, because either that it's not gonna work. So yeah, and then we do that, and we can trigger the function my function and call that. And oh yeah, we also need something, yeah. And now just type something you think like you're doing a search, and press enter, and you can see that you're searching for SDHD. So keep in mind though, for now don't use that method, because it's just only available on Chrome, and that would be a big problem if another website is using. So yeah, so see you guys, I hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.